Happy rising, y'all. Happy rising. Happy rising. It's a pretty day. The sun is shining. I'm shining. Ooh, me and my little afro. We are vibing. We are vibing. This rising. All right, let me stop. All right, so y'all, I'm in the kitchen trying to whip up me some lunch and dinner because I'm on the way to work. Quick. No meat. So I just quickly opened a can of chickpeas. Oh, let me get my oil. Let me get my, damn, I'm about to be out of oil. God damn. Alright, so I got some avocado oil. Damn, I ain't got much in here. I hope it's a little bit. Oh, it's enough. Okay, that's enough. Come on, baby. Come on, work with me now. Work with me. Alright, so I put some avocado oil in there. Where's my little spatula? My damn spatula's at. Ugh. Can't find my spatula right now. So, oh man, I forgot to cut my garlic up. So right here I got some peppers. I got red onions, peppers, ginger, and I'm about to cut like 2 pieces of garlic up. I start cutting garlic, I just buy them. And why are they looking pink? Oh my God, don't tell me they fucking going bad. Oh, just my hand out. I'm about to cut the garlic up real quick. That shit always fucking up. Okay, y'all, so I got my peppers, onions, garlic, and ginger sauteing. I got water on the stove back there for my quinoa. And yeah. Now I got my quinoa right here. And my chickpeas right here. When I finish sauteing, I'm going to put that in there. Also, I got spinach I'm going to throw in there. And I got my garlic marinara. Yeah. Okay, now y'all, I added my chickpeas, so I'm just letting them saute with the peppers and onions. Got my water still boiling. Get that hot. I'm gonna put my quinoa in there. And I got me a healthy meal. I'm not playing. Alright. Alright, y'all. I put the spinach in. I'm just letting the spinach cook down. I put a whole bag of spinach in here. I ain't got nothing but that little bit. But anyway. Yup. Got my quinoa over there. I'm almost done. I got about 20 more minutes I got to do the work. Time got away from me this rising. I'm trying to stop saying morning. But when you've been conditioned to say a word for so long, it's hard to stop. Alright, so I'm just going to let that sit for a minute. Then I'm going to put a little bit of this in it. This is good marinade. Kinders. Then I put a little lemon juice in there. I'm going to put much. Just... Come on, nigga. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I ain't trying to drown it. Just to turn the color. So I got my greens, I got my chickpeas, I got my protein, and I got my quinoa. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. Just like that's it. Now I'm about to go ahead and work on the quinoa. Alright, let boil for a couple of more seconds. Wash it. Alright, y'all, I'm done. I'm on the way to work. So I got quinoa, chickpeas, onions, red onions, garlic, ginger, and peppers. Season it real good. Put some lemon juice in there from a fresh squeezed lemon. Then I use a marinade, a garlic marinade from Kinder's brand. So yeah, it's gonna be lunch. And usually I don't really eat dinner. Sometimes I would do, sometimes I don't. But yeah, y'all. It took me like 30 minutes to get it all prepared. Alright. Now I'm out to work. Food in my bag. Got my okra water. And I'm off to work. Damn, dog. My damn finger. But yeah, y'all, it's a pretty day outside. Get outside, get you some sunlight. Get outside, baby. All right, I'm gone.